Alright, so you done bought Fruity Loops or FL Studio 20, and now you sitting here trying to figure out how do I get a basic old boom pap going, just a good old basic drum and clap pattern. Guess what? I got you. Check me out. Okay, so once you get Fruity Loops pulled up, what you're gonna check out, first thing is the tempo. What tempo do you want? Fruity Loops is a program made mostly for techno and house music. So guess what? A lot of dooch, 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 dooch. So it's a fast tempo going on. If you see what I'm doing right here, this is the metronome, which is the beep, 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 or you can change it to a hi-hat, how I got mine. But you click that and hit play, or the space bar. That's your tempo. So on the hip hop beat, everything is on a 4 count, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The claps is always on 2 and 4 to start off with. With a beat that fast, usually most hip hop tempos is around 8 to 90, but I will talk about double time in another video. But so you want to start it off at a lower BPM around 80 to 90 BPMs. Let's say 86, just for a good medium. All right, I hate the stock sounds that come with Fruity Loops, so we're not going to use any of those claps or kicks. So I got to click out the Deco and OG Parker drum kit. And with that, we're going to start with the 1, 2. If you notice, you see that every 4 patterns in here, every 4 boxes that you see it's a color, then it changes color to another color, then another color, then another color. Each box equals a beat. 4 beats equals 1 bar. Now, if you see what I just did, I placed the clap on at the beginning of each red box, which is the 2 and 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple enough. Now you want to add your kicks. So you get you a nice little kick that you like, or if you're using the stock sounds on there, you can do that. If you need help, man, I'm probably gonna put a drum link, a link to some drum kits below this video, so you can get a little starter kit or something to start off with. But okay, so like I said, with hip hop, everything is on the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we already established that the claps is going to be at the 2 and the 4. So now the drum is where? At the 1. And then from there, you can go to, you find where you want to put your other ones at. 1. Boom. Clap. Simple enough. Now you can take the metronome off now because you got your timing right. Now once you got your simple boom pap, you can take it anywhere you want to go from there. Usually I like to add hi-hats. So that's usually my go-to. Go to a hi-hat and give me an open hat. Always essential. These are the bases of most all hip-hop, trap, R&B, whatever you can think of. This is what it is. You just reassembling a drum kit. So go 1. That's the hi-hats I'm clicking into place right there. Simple. This sucks, but like you get the simpleness of it. Me, I do most of my beats at a double time, but you can speed it up by going like this. Now, a common problem that most people have when they first start using Fruity Loops is this. The box comes open like that there. You see what I just did? See that side arrow? Boom. Every 4 every 4 boxes gives you not every 4 boxes, because 16 boxes altogether, every group of 4. That's a bar. So now you have a whole nother bar. So this will be a 2-bar loop. 1-bar loop. And it's gonna keep looping around. That's how I wanted to add some variation to it to make it a 2-bar loop. Play with the hi-hats a little bit. Remember I said the claps is always on the 2 and the 4. So put those in place at the beginning of the red right there. That's the simpleness of it. Of course, you can take it way more complex and get completely outrageous with it. But like I said, that's the starters. That's how you get your simple boom pap and Fruity Loops 20. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff, and share to your friends. Or maybe not. Maybe just keep it to yourself. Like it, put it in a playlist so you could go back to it. And you know what I'm saying, keep going to it and find out till you figure out how to get it right yourself. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, just subscribe so I get these views. You hear me? Always remember, like, comment, subscribe. ASAPient.
Wheels on them, it's a slap.